Welcome to Friendly Math 101. Today's lesson is over classifying triangles. There are two ways to classify triangles. One way is by its sides. Another way is by its angles. So let's first look at classifying triangles by side lengths. If you look at the first triangle on the left-hand side, that triangle has all three sides equal. When we have equal sides, our triangle is called equilateral. Equilateral. The second triangle has two sides equal only. This one is called isosceles. And the last one has no sides equal. This one is called scalene. So those are the three ways to classify triangles by their sides. Now let's talk about classifying triangles by angles. So in our first triangle on the left-hand side, all the angles are equal. Since we have equal angles, this triangle is called equiangular. Equiangular. Our second triangle we should be able to recognize as a right triangle. We have that box in the corner that indicates a right angle, which makes it a right triangle. Our third triangle here, if you notice, we have a really large angle down here at the bottom of the triangle. Since this angle is bigger than 90 degrees, we call this an obtuse triangle. So when we have one angle greater than 90 degrees, we have an obtuse triangle. And the last one here, all our angles are less than 90. This one's called acute. Those are the four ways to classify triangles by their angles. Now let's classify these triangles. If we are given side lengths, we're going to classify by side. If we're given angles, we're going to classify by angles. So in our first triangle, triangle ABC, this should be C, not ABB, that's weird. ABC. Notice we have side lengths given, so we're going to classify by side. We have AC and AB both equal to 10. So those are two equal sides. We call that triangle an isosceles. So this one is isosceles. Moving on to the next one. Again, we have side lengths, so we're going to classify by side. Remember, the three types that it could be are equilateral, isosceles, and scalene. This one, none of the sides are equal. This is called scalene. Our third triangle is given angles. So we're going to classify this one by their angles. If you notice, they're all 60 degrees. They have equal angles. So this triangle is called equiangular. Equiangular. The fourth triangle is also giving us angles. So we're going to classify by angles. If you notice, angle K is 100. 100 is greater than 90. When we have angles greater than 90, we have obtuse angles, so we call this an obtuse triangle. The next triangle here, we have this box in the corner. We know that to be a right angle, so this is a right triangle. And the last triangle, triangle PQR, we have side lengths. So we're going to classify this one by its sides. All sides are equal, so this one's called equilateral. Equilateral. Thank you for watching, and for more math tutorials, please subscribe to our channel, Friendly Math 101.